In this video, we're going to take and show you how to reverse your steering from left and right, right and left, according to how you turn your transmitter to how the truck turns. So just hang in there. It's a real quick video, takes a couple seconds. Don't forget, like, subscribe, hit that bell button. So your steering's reversed after your new transmitter install, or you go left and it goes right, you go right and it goes left, and you want to fix it. So power your transmitter on. Pretty simple. Then hold the set button till it flashes. It just takes about 2 seconds. Then you see it start flashing. Now, you want to turn it full lock, press the set button. Now, see how it's reversed? So, when I go right, it goes left. When I go left, it goes right. So, you'll change it again. Turn it off. Back on. Hold the button. 1001, 2002, bam. Turn it. Hit the button. Left, right. Everything's fixed exactly how I want. You can also do this with the truck off, so don't forget, like, subscribe, hit that bell button.
You're awesome. I want to see it.